Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy Way. Thank you for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers, I love you so much. I love you so much. I really appreciate the support that you are giving, and it's well appreciated. So guys, in today's video we are making cinnamon donuts. Okay, so in my mixing bowl I've added some warm milk and sugar. I'm also going to add yeast. Then I'm going to whisk this to make sure that every ingredient in this bowl is well incorporated. Now I'm adding my flour, 1 large egg, and I'm also going to add some salt. I'm adding my cinnamon, which is very important. At this point, if you are trying this at home, you want to make sure that you mix up all your ingredients and then you decide to go for a room temperature margarine or butter. Okay, it is very important, and I am using margarine, so if you want butter, that's fine. It's your decision entirely. You want to make sure that all the margarine is mixed well with your dough, which is very, very important. If you think at a point that your dough is a little bit sticky, you don't have to worry. The more you knead the dough, the sticky aspect is just going to go away on itself, or the liquids you feel in it is going to go away on its own. So you have nothing to worry about. And I am just showing you one simple method here that you can use to knead your dough. This is just what you are looking at. It's very simple, and as you can see, my dough is just becoming softer and softer and beautiful. So to check the dough is not ready, is not stretchy enough, so then I'm going to knead it more and more. And this took me about 6 minutes to get the perfect dough that I am looking for. Now I've greased my bowl already, and I'm going to cover this and leave it for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is how it looks. So I'm just going to press the air out of this and then get it ready to apportion them into sizes that I like. So if you are making this at home, you decide whichever sizes that you want, okay, and that's perfectly fine. I'm just going for 8 sizes of donuts, and it also depends on the quantity that you're looking for. So guys, at this point, if you're still watching me and you're not part of this family, you want to click on that subscribe button, you want to turn on bell notification. I would be glad to have you here as part of this Rima fam. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, and I'll also be leaving some of the videos I've made on this channel for donuts, so you can check it out. So to mold this, it's very simple, okay? Just like I'm doing, it's so simple. You don't need to stress, and you are going to just have the perfect shape that you are looking for, okay? After this, what I'm going to do is to cover my dough or my donuts for about 15 minutes and come back again. So just after 15 minutes, and I am going to create a hole using my thumb, and this is very simple. So if you're using your thumb to create this hole, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, it's just going to come out so perfect. Then I'm going to use my two thumb to open the hole very well. All right, so just like this, and it's so simple. Look at how beautiful it is, or how beautiful it came out. So at this point, I have my oil on fire, and it's just warm enough, or it's hot enough for me to use. And your donuts do not keep long in the oil, just about 40 seconds, and it should be done 40 seconds to 1 minute. Other than that, you are going to get it burnt, depending on how hot your oil is. Okay, now it's done, and I'm bringing it out from the oil. It looks so beautiful, and this came out so soft, yummy, fluffy, and just imagine, it's very, very delicious. So if you're a cinnamon lover, this is for you. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate you for everything. Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing and liking, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So until I come your way again, here is Rema Health Way. It's bye.